Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make simple tomato soup. First, select about 2 pounds of ripe red tomatoes. Heirlooms work wonderfully. You'll also need 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and some fresh basil. Don't forget good quality olive oil, vegetable broth, and a touch of cream if you like. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Start by roughly chopping your tomatoes. Don't worry about perfection. Dice your onion and mince the garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the diced onion and cook until it's translucent and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic for about 1 minute until aromatic. Once your aromatics are ready, add the chopped tomatoes to the pot along with 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering, carefully use an immersion blender to achieve a wonderfully smooth and creamy consistency. Alternatively, you can use a regular blender in batches. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Season your delicious tomato soup with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves for a burst of herbaceous flavor. If you desire a richer soup, add about 1/4 cup of heavy cream and warm it through. Serve hot with a crusty bread or grilled cheese. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.